Daybird, 1,200 kilometer.
1,300 from my place, yeah.
1,300.
Ah, 1,300.
He's a back marker.
Yeah.
So 1,300 in his from Invercargill to his Loft.
Woo!
And this bird is COLIN CHANG line.
Yeah.
I think the second important thing for preparing the long distance ones is to not have them sick. Keep them in very good condition.
Not
Healthy,
keep it
I
healthy.
mean.
So, do you mean like from the youngster, they need to
Yeah.
be healthy until
Yeah,
the time of the
yeah.
race? Eh?
Very funny.
Oh, mga kalapatids, ang grabe ang bahay ng ano, yung lugar ni ano, merong munting ano doon, oh. Sapa. Ito si Mr. Brainslow po. Ayun yung ano, si COLIN CHANG, oh, yun. Ito, loft busy tayo mga kalapatids. One of the best flyer in West Auckland. Yan. Siya ay yung first two hen yearling champion. Yan. Alright. Baba tayo. Nakaka-excite. Ayos ba, boy?
Ayos. Good morning mga kalapatid sa kinakabahan tuloy ako. Nandito tayo with COLIN CHANG. He's one of our fans here in Western Union. And a colleague of mine as a flyer of for pigeon racing. Of course, this is Uno Loft channel. Today is Sunday and we have a chance to get to know more about in regards to COLIN. So it's a really our pleasure to accommodate us.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah.
First and foremost, I would like to ask COLIN, how long you been a pigeon fancier?
Almost 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
So you're saying 10 years. Does that include back when you're in China, or you just been a pigeon fancier here?
Here.
Ah,
I never raised pigeon in China.
In every race
Yeah.
pigeon in China.
Yeah.
And during that 10 years of flying, which one is the most memorable to your to all of the races you have?
Yeah, the most favorite,
Yeah.
my favorite
Yeah.
race long distance ones.
Which is this one, like the Invercargill,
Yeah, loving
Christchurch,
Yeah,
Dunedin.
yeah. I have won several races, a second place, for the federation.
For the race.
Yeah, that's the one Daybird, right? Last 2019.
The daybird and the bird next morning. Yeah, and also I have a pigeon race.
So that in the top 10, in that Invercargill race, how many birds you got? How many birds you got in top 10? Got 4 or 5?
Yeah, I got 5.
5. Imagine.
Yeah.
Imagine.
He got 5 part of the top 10 birds.
1,200 kilometer Daybird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With COLIN. Oh, that's really good. You really perform well. Conditioning, really
So,
preparation.
but this race now, did you send how many in Invercargill?
Invercargill 12
12,
and 6 Dunedin.
Dunedin.
Yeah,
So that's your
waiting
Yeah.
for the liberation.
liberation.
Yeah.
So I do ask you about that. How do you prepare your bird for the long distances? Would you mind sharing that to us?
Sure.
Okay.
Because like us, I'm also a newbie. Gerard and some of our
Yeah.
viewers.
Yeah.
You got how many viewers you got?
Maybe like we have 80,000 followers in Facebook and 12,000 in YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
a good number. Yeah.
It means
Now-
that Asian people really love flying pigeons. I mean racing pigeons.
Yeah.
So saying that, is that all right? Like,
Sure.
what sort of conditioning do you do then?
Yeah, to prepare for the long distance pigeons.
Mm-hmm.
And first, I think you need to find the right pigeon.
Right pigeon.
Yeah, and I sourced the pigeons from various flyers
Yeah.
who are very good at long distance,
Doing this. Yeah.
and like late Meg Armstrong,
Late
al-
Mark
yeah, and also some from the far north.
Far
They're
north?
called long distance club. Yeah,
Far north.
Yeah,
They get a long distance club.
yeah.
Ooh.
Got some, and also some local ones from Auckland area.
Wow, yeah. Local
Yeah.
from Auckland there.
Um,
But saying that, oh, yeah, you said about genetics. It's
Yeah.
really plays a crucial role or factor for a long distance bird. What else then? Like,
Conditioning.
how about the conditioning?
yeah, conditioning. My place, the pigeon loft, is
Is this what we
yeah,
talking about?
yeah. It's a quite different. I do not live here.
Yeah, you don't stay
I
here.
live,
Yeah. In the city.
Yeah, I live in the city. So every day I come just feed them, and then fly once. So
Liberate them for
liberate. Yeah,
So once a day you only feed them.
yeah. Feed them once a day, and then have a loft to fly once a day. That's all I have. Yeah, for them.
Imagine that. And then you. How about if you don't mind, like, do you also provide supplements? For
Not really.
Not really,
Not
no.
much.
Not
Yeah,
much.
not much. Yeah.
So
Not much.
so mostly you're giving like pink mineral something, grits,
That's minerals.
The black powder would
The black powder.
Preminex.
Yeah.
Preminex.
Yeah.
Nothing secret, nothing special, but you still a good.
Yeah, no,
Good. What do you believe then, like conditioning, for your conditioning, the food
Yeah.
or the feeding really play a crucial role, a big factor when it comes conditioning, or it's a training, or it should be balanced between training and
resting.
feeding.
Yeah. Yeah, there are sometimes we feed them light food. Yeah, with more barleys and some small seeds as well. And during the race and the training season, I feed them with more maize.
More maize.
Yeah, more maize and give them more,
Power.
Yeah, power.
Yeah, to be very.
Yeah, and I think the second important thing for preparing the long distance ones is to not have them sick. Keep them in very good condition.
Not
Healthy,
keep them
I
healthy.
mean.
So
Yeah.
do you mean like from the youngster they need to
Yeah.
be healthy until
Yeah,
the time of the
yeah.
race?
If any pigeon not well from the young, so I don't want.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
anyway. So
Yeah.
selection
Yeah,
from the start, they should be healthy throughout
Yeah.
the race
Yeah.
and up to you reach the long distance race.
yeah. To keep the lofts as clean as possible, but I do not, do a lot of cleaning. Yeah, okay. But anyway, to let the air flow. In the loft,
Ventilation
and
should be-
ventilation should be
good.
important too. Yeah,
Keep it dry, is that what you said?
yeah, keep it right.
And then I've noticed every race or all season like young bird season, old bird season you race it, so
Yeah.
You never skip.
you never skip even sprint race to long distance, you always race. So
Yeah.
so your birds flying from you flying for long distance is the same for the sprint.
Yeah.
Oh, see, so you don't believe like this is the sprint
So,
bird,
no,
this is the
I've also noticed some of your long distance bird
Yeah.
also fly good
on the
during
sprint race.
during the short races.
Yeah, during a mid-distance one.
Is that because you have your own motivation how to make them fly quicker
Yeah.
or faster?
Normally, I regard the short race and mid-distance race as a part of their training.
Oh my goodness,
Oh, yeah, but
that's only a training, but you're still winning,
Yeah, I don't mind if they got the first
Win
place
or-
or
Oh, really?
So it doesn't matter.
just participate in the race. That's
Oh, yeah.
important. So they get enough
Training
mileage,
Yeah.
to fly.
Correct. So
Yeah.
you took you take those races as part of their build up
Yeah.
for the long distance.
That's right. That's right.
Wow.
Some pigeons maybe they cannot, last so long. When they finish the mid-distance ones, and then they lost their power. They cannot fly anymore.
Yeah.
Maybe, but the good ones will still carry on.
Colin, later, probably in the last part of our especially regarding to the. Can you show to us your probably one or two of your best pigeons so that you can feel really like really proud?
Can you show it to us the 1,200 kilometer daybird? And guys, and Colin Chang, he won on Henderson Classic first two-hen champion.
Two-hand
Yeah.
champion.
Yeah. So maybe we can see that. Yeah.
So going back to the, he said like, oh, mga kalapatids, I'll talk to our dialect. So mga kalapatids, sabi ni Colin Chang, yung mga races na linalaro natin, don't take it like walang kunya natalo ka dun sa short races, no. Huwag mo take yun na wala lang yun kasi nagdadagdag ng experience sa nagbi-build up ng experience nyo sa kalapati na parang gumaling pa sila. Lalo na kung nagpe-prepare ka ng malalayong race. So, yung mga short distance races, kino-consider na lang niya as a training yun. Kung manalo di plus factor na siya, additional session, parang add up lang yun. Pero, ang importante yung experience ng ibon na during the race, nakalipad siya naman ganun. Yung mileage na sinasabi ni Colin Chang. So, as I've mentioned, Colin, the mileage of the bird is really important. Yes. How they got the experience. It doesn't matter if you win the race, but the experience for the bird in preparation for that long distance race, it really matters. That's true. And going back, yung ventilation, proper nutrition, meron siya sinabi kanina na light feeding, saka heavy feeding. So yung light feeding niya siguro. Oh, what comprises of your light feeding? Is that the small seeds?
Yes,
like
some small seeds,
rice,
more barley.
More barley.
Did you mixing your own?
Yeah, I mix.
Oh, okay.
Oh, do you experience like barley? Because we have a group chat and they said like, oh, barley can create canker or can cause canker to the birds. Is that true?
For the young ones, for the babies,
Because it might hurt their.
For the babies, I put very
Light
little,
foods,
barley.
Not much.
Little barley.
Yeah.
More of wheat.
Yeah, wheat.
Yeah, wheat.
Wheat and sorghum.
Sorghum, yeah.
Yeah, sorghum.
Did you put some pellet something? No. No need.
No. I
No.
tried some, but
It's not.
no.
Okay.
Not good for the droppings.
Yeah.
So training in the race is parang isa na lang siya. It's just one. And then yung proper ventilation daw ng loft, saka yung feeding is really important. Yan. So,
And how about the training? Like now, you prepare your birds for 1,200 kilometers. Did you did you toss it every other day or once a day? Once a week? Or more or less?
First, before the training, before the race started, I trained them privately, maybe 4 or 5 times.
before the race when they're still young.
Yeah.
But when they already flew several races.
Not much.
Then I'll put the bird on the club trailer.
That's it.
For it.
That's your training.
Yeah. So mainly I use the short races as a training.
So that's why. Okay.
Yeah. So that can can fly every week, once a week. Yeah.
True way.
Yeah. That's good.
So yan mga kalapatids, we're gonna check his loaf now.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go.
Ito na yung mga ano niya, loop niya mga kalapatids. Napakalawak ng lugar, ganda oh. Sarap mag-abang dito. Look at that. Ayan, makikita natin yung daybird. Pakita mo muna yung anong daybird boy saka yung first two hen.
This is young bird. This is young bird.
Young bird. Oh, sorry.
This year's young bird.
That's for your next season.
Yeah.
This is for this season, this coming season.
Ooh,
My God, look at that.
look at that oh.
I can't believe they're already that matured. You know, some of my young bird, probably they cannot. It's not even flying.
Fly.
Okay.
That you will be the team of next season, and then Did you have a youngster from your daybird last 2019, I guess, eh?
Is that 2020? You
2020.
got your daybird for Invercargill. Your
Yes.
your
Five
five birds
daybird.
there.
Yeah.
Your best birds.
Yes.
You
That's-
have
One, yeah, at least two, yeah, two pairs.
2 pairs.
Mm.
Yeah,
You breed them, eh?
yeah.
Nice. Maybe how many team you 40 something, eh?
Nearly 50. No, 50, but 40.
40 something, eh.
Yeah, 48.
Gaganda mga kalapatids, oh. Tibay. Alright.
From your colin.
Okay, wait.
Ang ganda nga rin.
May pa yung mga young birds na. So we need to close this one?
Close.
Yeah,
Close.
please.
Might go up.
Gaganda mga kalapatids.
First time we come to
This is the cock
section.
The racing, yeah. This is the racing compartment.
The racing compartment.
So that's
Where
the...
do they land here? Here, eh?
Gaganda, oh. So that's
Yeah.
the stockbird or still the racer?
Yes, yeah.
Still the racer, right?
Yeah, races.
Wow.
And
The cock. The cock.
there are 6 cocks that are going, in Chicago and Dunedin.
Oh. Oh, maybe some of them is the winner, right? No.
Some are very good, but the condition maybe a little
Ah.
bit, I feel maybe not fit enough, good enough for them.
For the race.
Yeah, that's still very good pigeons.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Your loaf
it's really good.
I was really surprised. You said like you're not cleaning your loaf, but it looks like it's clean.
This is the hen.
The hen.
Yeah,
Hen section.
yeah, hen snack.
Ito yung hen section niya, mga kalapatids. Ang kaganda.
Ang lalaki. You got a big fence. Eh? Look at this. It looks like a cock.
Normally, Colin, what is the bloodline of your birds?
The main largest ones from Mark Armstrong.
Mac Armstrong.
Mark Armstrongs, and yeah.
Now I call her bloodline COLIN CHANG.
Colin Chang, yeah.
Chang bloodline. I won't be considering it.
Ang
with
ganda
Mark
nito.
Armstrong.
Look at this, oh.
But- Kasi you already know what-
Napaka, very beautiful, ay.
I'll show you the breeding. Yeah. Yes.
Ito, breeding area naman.
Ganda.
Laki.
And you got a very big compartment here. It's really cool.
Shucks, ay.
Ganda.
Dito,
Kasi namin ito talaga ito. Tingnan mo kaya ang ganda.
may hallway siya, oh.
Oh, tapos paglilinisin mo.
Oo.
ganun lang.
I picked one for you.
Tanong yung daybird sa ano, first tour.
Sabi, can you get your daybird?
This is the one that's headed back from Chicago on the day.
Ah! Invercargill, mga kalapatid. So, daybird, 1,200 kilometer.
1,300 from my place. Yeah.
1,300.
Ah, 1,300.
He's a back marker.
Yeah.
So 1,300 in his from Invercargill to his loaf.
Woo!
And this bird is COLIN CHANG line.
Yeah. So, that's
It's a big cock actually. Look.
Yeah.
It's a very
And
big cock.
its mother flew 3 times in Chicago.
wow! Mother flow.
Yeah.
So how
3
old
times.
is the mother?
The mother is 2013.
2000.
Yeah.
Shucks.
Yeah.
Grabe. Look at that, oh.
And it's a big
Big cock, eh.
Big cock.
Normally, if the birds, if you want the birds for the long distance, normally it's a big size, eh. Nah.
Not necessarily.
Yeah, not necessarily big ones, but I got the hens are better than him.
Better than him. Better than him. But
That-
flies very well, but it's not that big.
On the same day, the first place in my loft.
It's a hen.
Yeah, the hen.
Hey, not this cock. But he's one of the daybird.
Yeah.
Oh.
One of
Shucks.
the better. Yeah, very good one. And very
If that one is very priceless bird.
Yeah.
How old is he now?
And it's 2019.
2018, 18, 19.
Yeah, 2019.
So like 3 years, 3, 4 years.
Did you fly on Invercargill like 1-year-old birds? No.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I got some yearlings to fly like that.
Okay.
I like the orange one, eh? The orange, the pink.
Pink one, yeah.
The pink ring. Yeah,
The pink ones this year I sent yeah.
me too. Because I don't have any green one.
Nice.
I show you.
Yeah, the.